Hey guys, how's it going? So today we're going to be installing the single ARB air compressor on a Ford Raptor. I'm going to go ahead and do it right on the frame. I was going to use like a threaded insert rivet kit, but I decided, man, if that's going to hold, then I might as well just do rivets. So this is what size I'm using right here. I already started drilling out on my frame, but I'll show you guys like what I'm doing. I'm already kind of started here. All right guys, so I'm on the passenger side of the truck up here on the rail. So you got a cab mount here, cab mount back there, leaf, this is for the leaf starter, so I'm doing it right here. I already got the 3 holes started, and this thing's just going to go on here like that. I'm going to rivet them on there. Pretty easy to go through. The hardest part is my drill hits up here, so trying to get this thing straight, I basically had to cut down a bit to get these top ones here. So I'm going to go ahead and drill the last one out, and then I'll show you guys how I rivet them on. Okay, boom. So now these rivets should be good to go. Boom, all 4. And I'm gonna do a rivet with this, just a little extra added on this side, because when you look at this on here, it should be, really should be okay, but I'm just adding a little extra to get over that lip a lot better. So by the time you do this to that, we should be perfect. So hell yeah. Okay, well, let me get some double-sided tape on here to get this thing straight, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so this is what it'll roughly look like. This is just the rivets not in there, of course, you know, but there's the thing on there. I'm gonna put a level on the bottom here to get that thing level. Cool, boom, and we are still level. Boom. There's one. Boom. Yeah, that thing is freaking on there. It's not fucking moving. That thing, that's legit. Yeah, I think the rivets are gonna be perfect. Okay, hell yeah, let me get this thing mounted up, and then I'll run the wiring and keep showing you guys from there. Alright guys, this is where I'm at. So I got the wire all connected. I just kind of ran along here. I need to clean up a little more, but I just ran it along the frame. Sorry, a light here. Put some wire loom in it. Ran it up over there. Basically zip tied it all the way down. Get a better angle. So, sorry, I'm trying to do this one hand. So it's right here. Frame mount then goes straight up there. You can see it's sorry guys, trying to do a flashlight, but it's this wire right here. Again, sorry about the light. But up, and then I'll show you how I connect it up top. Okay guys, since I'm running it to my factory auxiliary switches inside, I did aux number 6, which was green orange. And it all, this is, I'm running a relay with the battery. So I wasn't gonna run it straight to it, so I just need this little 5 amp is just literally a turn on and off switch. But here's the negative into right here. Here's the positive going in. So then that's all run off a relay. And then I came up over here, and here's the green orange. That was my red, and then I grounded this to that nut back here. And I just got to clean this up right here. But looks pretty good so far. Like, honestly, I just need to spend a little bit more time cleaning it up, but it doesn't look too bad in here. So here's the moment of truth though. We're gonna go flip on so aux number 6 for me and see if this thing works. Okay, so power. Okay, boom, we got it going. Hell yeah. Hey guys, so if this video helped you in any way or you got some good information out of it, please definitely hit the like button, comment if you have any questions on anything. Also, if you haven't, go to subscribe to my channel and help me build more and keep putting out videos. Thank you guys, we'll talk to you then.